Welcome to this tutorial on Morgan Stanley two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication is a security process that requires users to provide two different authentication factors to access an account or system. This adds an extra layer of security to the traditional username and password combination. Morgan Stanley two-factor authentication is a security feature implemented by Morgan Stanley to protect its clients' accounts and sensitive information. This feature requires clients to provide a second form of verification in addition to their username and password when logging into their accounts. To set up Morgan Stanley two-factor authentication, clients need to enroll in the service by providing their account information and a phone number or email address. Once enrolled, clients will receive a verification code via SMS or email whenever they attempt to log into their account. This code must be entered in addition to their username and password to complete the login process. The two-factor authentication process involves the following steps. First, the client enters their username and password on the Morgan Stanley website or mobile app. If the credentials are correct, the system will prompt the client to enter a verification code sent to their registered phone number or email address. The client must enter the correct verification code to access their account. Using two-factor authentication provides several benefits, including enhanced security and reduced risk of unauthorized access to accounts. It also helps to protect against phishing attacks and other types of cyber threats. Best practices for using Morgan Stanley two-factor authentication include keeping account information and verification codes confidential, using strong and unique passwords, and monitoring account activity regularly. In summary, Morgan Stanley two-factor authentication is a security feature that adds an extra layer of protection to client accounts by requiring a second form of verification. This feature helps to prevent unauthorized access and protect sensitive information. Clients can enroll in the service by providing their account information and a phone number or email address, and then use the feature to securely log into their accounts.